Hey guys, welcome back. Let's do this map animation in Canva, a designing platform where a map of a certain continent will be present and then it will be zoomed in to reveal a map of a certain country, for example, India. So let's start creating one. Click on video and then click on video 1080p. Afterwards, you look for an image of the map of Asia. Go to elements and then afterwards type in Asia. Go to photos and then let's say if you want to pick this. So zoom it in just like so. And then place it here and then duplicate it. Right click, duplicate page, and then afterwards for this one, click on this one and then you zoom it in a little bit more so that the map of India, for instance, is highlighted just like this. Make it lie at the center of the workspace. And then afterwards, go in between the images, click on add transition, go with match and move, just like this. Then increase the duration a bit. Drag this one so that the first image will be shown for a little while. And then if we click on play, alright, it's zoomed in. Shorten it a bit. If we play it, ooh, fancy. Whoa. And then let's look for the map of India. Type India, and then afterwards, you look for graphics. Let's say if you want to use this image, for example. Not here, click on this one and then click on this one. My bad, sorry. And then right click, show element timing, just like this. And then you can resize the map of India so that it fits with the map. Just like this. It will take some time. You can even rotate the map by dragging this. Fancy. Place it until it's, it fits entirely with the map shown in the map of Asia. Just like this. And then you can even add some effects. Drag it so that it starts appearing from this timestamp. Go to animate, and then let's say if you want to do this ink effect. And then afterwards you want to, let's say, do a splotch effect. Just like this. Ooh, fancy. Painting effect is now applied. Now let's add some text, shall we? Go to text and then click on add a heading. Let's name it India. Afterwards, we simply change the font by clicking on this one. Let's say if you want an elegant kind of typeface. For example, the seasons. The seasons will do. Change the color of the text to, let's say, white. Resize it. Alright, this will do. And then place the text here. And then make it start from here. And then we can extend the video until it's like 15 seconds long. And then drag the time indicator to this. And then we can actually, click on animate. And then you can, make the letters appear. Click on clarify. It's really elegant. And then you can, increase the speed so that the text, appears in a more elegant way, just like this. You're done. Doing this map animation in Canva, a designing platform. So a map of Asia is shown, and then as it's being zoomed in, the map of India is highlighted alongside the text. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. From me, it's good day. Ciao!